Hello everyone, I'm Shyam. Welcome to our channel, The Truth of India. Looking for the best budget-friendly 5G smartphone? Then great news for you. Chinese smartphone giant Xiaomi going to launch its next generation 5G budget smartphone Redmi A4 5G in Indian market on 20th November 2024. Expected price between 8,499 to 8,999 for 4GB plus 128GB variant. This 5G budget-friendly smartphone will be available from 20th November through online retailer Amazon in black, blue and green color option. This promising budget-friendly smartphone not only offers you 5G connectivity but also a decent processor and a large battery. It will be interesting to see how it performs in real world after its launch on 20th November. Let's check out the specification of this cool budget-friendly device. It comes with 6.5-inch IPS LCD display. New Redmi A4 5G anticipated to be the most affordable 5G smartphone. The Snapdragon 4S Generation 2 processor offers you decent performance for everyday tasks. Large battery and fast charging support should offer you best battery life. 50MP rear camera, 8MP front camera offers you decent photography in low light. Let's check out the detailed specification. Processor Snapdragon 4S Generation 2, display 6.5-inch IPS display, RAM 4GB, storage 128GB, rear camera 50MP, front camera 8MP, battery 5000 mAh and 18-watt fast charging, operating system Android 14 based on HyperOS and side-mounted fingerprint scanner, and colors are black, blue and green color option. The pricing below 10,000 will cost you between 8,499 to 8,999. Its producer Redmi A3 is launched last year 7,499. We hope new A4